All right, we're going to very quickly look at this number line fractions thing, and we're looking at what point do these letters point to on the number line. So basically, we have 0 and 1 at the beginning and end of each of these. So the question is just how many pieces is each line cut into. So this is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. And this would be 2, 4, the 6th piece. Okay? So it is 6 tenths. However, you can reduce 6 tenths, right? We've learned that recently. So 6 tenths, what number are both of those divisible by? They're both even numbers, so it's got to be 2. So really we're dividing by 1. 2 halves is the same as 1. But the answer is going to be 3/5. And let's just see what that looks like. What does 3/5 look like? Well, we divided by 2, right? So let's cut all these into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one's there. So this is also the same as 3/5. You can see it's the 3rd, 1, 2, 5th, 4, 5. Okay, what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are into 5 parts, so that one's pretty simple to do. What else do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 pieces, and this is the 6th one. So that's your first fraction, but can you reduce that? Again, they're both even numbers. So just think about it like this. Split it into those pieces, and now where is that? Or you can divide 6/8 by what over what to figure out the other number. Okay, what do we have here? D, how many pieces? Starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. You're going to have 2 answers for that one too. I'll let you figure it out. And then down here, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so where is this? And again, I'm going to let you figure that one out. It is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece out of 9. And can you reduce that and write the second answer? So you'll have 2 answers for everything except B. You only have 1 answer for B. Everything else is going to have 2 answers. And that's it. Thank you.